Hey friends, I have a terrific recipe for you. It's my grandmother Duane's classic southern potato salad. I will have all of your ingredients listed below. You guys, this is a terrific recipe. It is perfect for any gathering or any event. So let's get started with making it. So first you want to boil your potatoes. Either you can dice your potatoes ahead of time or you can do them like I learned, which is to boil them in the whole form, and then you want to also boil your eggs and cook them until they're done. Next, I'm cutting up celery. I have 2 celery ribs here that I am dicing. I'm going to do a dice on, and also I'm using a half of a yellow onion as well. If you don't want to use yellow onion, you can use green onion. It's up to you which onion you would prefer to use. You just want to chop it in the form that you like. If you want it a little bit thicker, then for more crunch you can. If you don't like crunch and you want to not have that crunch, you could put it in a food processor and blend it all the way down to almost a paste. But this is the size that I'm using. Next, after my potatoes are done, I have washed them off and I have diced them, and now I am dicing up the eggs as I was telling you earlier to put into the potato salad. So now I've added in the onions and the celery, and next we're going to add in the mustard. I'm adding in mustard. I've added in some apple cider vinegar. I've added in some relish, some mayo. Now I'm adding in some celery salt, some seasoning salt, and some black pepper to taste. And then I'm going to stir all of these ingredients to combine. And you guys, when I say this is a simple recipe, it is a simple recipe. If you have not given your girl a thumbs up, you need to press that button right now and give your girl a thumbs up, because this is an awesome, terrific, staple recipe that you will have forever. So now that this is all stirred and combined, you definitely want to taste your potato salad to see if it's has the proper taste. If it does not, add whatever extra stuff you need to put in there. If you like sugar, you can add a little bit of sugar in there, you add more relish, whatever you need to do. Then after you get it to the taste you want, you put it in your serving dish. And then to garnish it, I'm using smoked paprika. If you want, you could also use some of your boiled eggs. Just cut them in the round sections and just add them on top. And there you go, you guys. This is the classic potato salad. I want to thank you for watching my video. Give your girl a thumbs up. And as always, enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe so that you can get all of my new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.